2012 a Triumph Speedmaster. So it's a very, very comfortable riding position. The bike doesn't feel very long. It might be longer than what it feels, but it's an extremely comfortable riding position. You can see my knees are at a good comfortable angle. My arms are not too low, not too high. That's at a good angle. They're not too pulled back like this. I'm not like this, you know what I mean? I'm pretty stretched out. You see what I mean? I'm pretty stretched out. I'm 6'2". I think this bike is very, very comfortable. I like the way the seat feels. I like the throttle response on this thing. I like that it's got the pegs. Pegs are a little more sportier than the floorboards. It's got a very smooth and consistent power band. Like nothing, you know, it's never like pulling your arms off, but it's very smooth and deliberate, and it's very readable. Like you hop on it once, you know exactly what it's going to do at any given time. Unlike a two-stroke dirt bike where you're like, what is it going to do now? Who knows?